If your mouse pointer works but you can't click on Windows 11, here are 6 quick fixes to get it working again. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys together from the keyboard to open Task Manage on your computer. Locate Windows Explorer by pressing Tab key few times and then pressing arrow keys on your keyboard. Once Windows Explorer is selected and highlighted, press Shift and F10 keys together to right-click and click on Restart. Unplug your mouse from your PC. Press Alt plus F4 key from your keyboard. Now press the down arrow key till you see the Restart option on the window. Hit Enter to reboot your computer. After rebooting, wait for 5 minutes so that everything loads up in your PC. Press Windows key plus R to launch Run and type this command and hit Enter. Main.cpl, the mouse properties window will open. Press T from your keyboard to turn on Click Lock, and then press Tab for 2 times to highlight Click Lock option. Make sure it is unchecked. If it is checked, just press Space key to uncheck it. Now press Tab again and hit Enter key. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys together from your keyboard. Now, using Tab key reach the line, create this task with admin privileges and then using Space key select it. Now, type the following command and hit Enter each time to execute them fully. GPU update. Now, run this command given below CHKDSK. Close the CMD window and restart PC first. First, press Windows key plus R. Now type dev mgmt.msc and hit Enter. At first, press Tab, and the first term on the list will be highlighted. Then, press down arrow until you reach the mice and other pointing devices. Now press the right side arrow to expand it. After that, select the appropriate mouse device you are using with a down arrow. Finally, hit Enter key to open the properties of that device. When the Properties window opens, press Tab until the General tab is highlighted. Now you will need to press the right arrow to go to the Driver tab. Now again, press Tab to select the option that says Uninstall Driver and hit Enter. In the Device Manager window, click on Action. Then click on Scan for hardware changes. Reboot your computer. You should have your mouse working again. If the problem persists, go for the next fix. Press the Windows key and press the R key to launch the Run window. In this Run window, simply type emsconfig and then click on OK. Press Tab until you highlight the General tab, then the right arrow key to go to the Boot tab. Now press Alt plus F to check the Safe Boot option. Now press Alt plus A to apply the changes. Finally, press Tab until you highlight the OK tab and hit Enter. Reboot your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.